So here our next topic is difference between factors and multiples. Today we will just in this video we will just look them from surface, and then ahead in further videos we will understand them deeply and study about them deeply in deep. Multiples are the answers of the tables of a certain number. For example, list the multiples of 2. What are multiples? Multiples are the answers of a tables of a certain number. For example, you are given a question that you have to list the multiples of 2, and then what are multiples? Multiples are those numbers, are those digits which come are those numbers which come in any digits table. Like for example, if you are asked to write down list down the multiples of 2, then you have to consider those numbers which come in the table of 2. Like what are the multiples of 2? If they are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and then 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, or 26, 28, 30, 32, and then onwards. And however, you don't have to list all the multiples. You can list them um, till 10, yani कि 2 multiply means 2 multiplied by 10. You can list them till that point, which means that last multiple here in this question only you can say 20. But the examiner can also give you these types of questions like list the first multiples of 6 for list the first 6 multiples of 7. Then you only have to list the first 6 multiples of 7. If you list any multiple which is beyond 6 times beyond 6th, then you will not be given mark, or you will not be awarded your mark. So the first 6 multiples are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, and 7 six are 42. So these are your first 6 multiples of 7. You can't go beyond it, otherwise you lose marks. And then factors. What are factors? Factors are such a whole number which completely divides a given number. For example, you are given a question, list the factors of 2, 3, and 40. For then you have to write, like if you are given a number, or if you are given a number, then you have to tell factors are if I give you an easy definition of these factors, I must tell you that in factors you are given numbers and you have to write down in which table they come. Like for 2, 2 comes in 1's table, and 2 itself comes in 2's table. Then 3, 3 it comes in 1's table, and comes in its own table, which is 3. And 40, 40 comes in 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. It doesn't comes in anyone else's table. So the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 4. Here is a note that first multiple of any number will be the number itself. You can see that if we list the multiple of 7, 7 is the first multiple, is then the multiple of 2, 2 is the first multiple. So the multiple of first number